Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ron Brown and this is Tech for Senior. Today I'm going to show you how to create a signature block in Gmail. A signature block is a little section of text that appears at the bottom of every email you send. It can include your name, your phone number, a website, or even a picture or logo. That's a great way to save time and make your emails look more professional. So let's get started. First, why should you use a signature block? Well, instead of typing your phone number or name every single time, Gmail can add it automatically. It also makes your emails look neat and polished. Whether you're writing to friends, family, or even business or volunteer work, having a signature block is very handy. Now let's set one up by opening your Gmail inbox, and in the upper right hand corner you'll see a small gear icon. That's the settings button. Click on that. From the menu that opens See All Settings. This takes you to the full settings page. At the top you'll make sure you're in the General tab. That's where you'll find the signature option. Next, scroll down the page until you see the section called Signature. Here you'll see a button that says Create New. Click the button and Gmail will ask you to give you your signature and name. You might call it personal or work, whatever makes sense to you. Once you've named it, a box will appear and you can type the information in that you want in your signature. And again, you might type your full name, your phone number, your email address, or a website if you have one, depending on what type of information you want to give to the public when you're sending email. Now, step 3, you can format your signature. Gmail lets you format your signature above the typing box. You'll see some tools just like a word processor. You can change the font style, make the text bold, or change the size and color. You can add a picture, such as your photo or company logo. I'm going to show you an example of one that I created in Canva. It's really easy to do, and they have signature blocks all made for you. You just have to put the information in, you save the image, and then in the signature block now in Gmail, you just add the image. It's so simple and it's pretty cool. Now, step 4 is choose when the signature appears. Now that you've created your signature, you need to tell Gmail when to use it. Underneath your signature, you'll see 2 drop-down menus. One controls the signature for new emails, and the other controls the signature for replies and forwards. Choose the signature you just created for both, or just for new emails, or whichever you prefer. All right, step 5, save and test. Once you've finished, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Now let's test it. Click the button and compose a new email. You should see your signature appear automatically at the bottom of the message. To be sure, try sending a test email to yourself, open it up, and you'll see your new signature right there. Now here are a few more tips. You can create more than one signature, for example, one for personal emails and other for business. Keep your signature short and easy to read. And remember, some email programs may block images, so don't reply only on a picture. Always include text. And that's it. You know how to create a signature block in Gmail. Remember, go to Settings, scroll to Signature, create and customize, and don't forget to save your changes. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, just give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you next time. I'm Ron Brown with Tech for Senior. Have a great day.